Let's play Freeze Dance. Put your dancing shoes on, but pay attention because when the music stops, you will freeze and read words with the letters
TH that makes the sounds and
Say the word as soon as it changes color. Then check to see if you are right. Ready?
If you see our emoji friend and the letters pop up while you are dancing, say the sound and Let's try it. Ready? With, bath, moth, math, thin, this, that, them, think, then, they, there, those, van, thing, thank, Subscribe for more fun phonics videos to do at home or in the classroom.